Hey guys, today we're going to change the thermostat on this 2001 F150 with the 5.4 V8. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, helps out a lot. First thing we're going to do is drain some coolant out. So if we look right down here, the end of my finger is the drain, crack that loose and it'll run out this little knob right there. Try to let it focus. There you go, you can see. You don't need to drain it all out, just, I don't know, down to like here or so it doesn't drain out when we crack the thermostat housing. Next, we're gonna take out these three 8mm bolts right here that hold this bracket onto the thermostat housing. Now we're gonna take out the two 10mm bolts holding the housing in. They're right there and right there. And then once you have those out, you can crack the housing off from the block there, or the intake. Just take a screwdriver or just pull it up. You don't need to unhook this hose. Just pull this up and out of the way. You might lose a little bit of coolant there, not a big deal. All right, I just pulled the hose back this way. The housing is out of the way, so you can pull this old gasket out and then pull your thermostat out, and then you put your new thermostat in the same way, and then put the gasket on the top, and then put everything back together in reverse order, and then fill it back up with coolant. I'll have an Amazon link in the description below for a new thermostat and gasket. If you want to get one on Amazon, you can check it out there. So that's pretty much it. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button for me, leave a comment down below, and thank you for watching.